He is a multifaceted professional who has made significant contribution to the field of education for over 14 years. With a rich and diverse experience working in renowned institutions across India, he has established himself as an author, career counselor, trainer, and the principal of Bharati Public School in Anuppur since 2017. He has done his MCA, B.Ed, and certification in career guidance and counseling. He has been a CBSE resource person since 2018, and he has conducted both online and offline training sessions on gender sensitivity, classroom management, NEP 2020, and more in collaboration with CBSE's COE of Ajmer, Bhubaneswar, and Goa. He has conducted more than 120 training sessions and equipped around 6,000 teachers, affecting 10,000 students across various modules. His dedication and expertise have undoubtedly left a profound mark on the field of education in India. And looking at both these resource persons, Kamleshji and Hiteshji, I can certainly say that they have many years to go, and they will be enlightening teachers in the coming years, wherever they will be. We all have been in this field of education for the past at least more than 10 years, I think, those who are here. As a teacher, it is our job to ensure that students who are coming to school are provided with knowledge, they are equipped with positive attitude, they are provided with lessons on life skills, how to manage themselves, so that they become confident and healthy citizens. So there are many aspects when we talk of health, life skills, which these children should know. CBSE has taken the initiative under NEP 2020. NCRT is playing a vital role in this. Health Ministry is playing a vital role. And on the basis of all these great agencies and ministry, it is being ensured that all the teachers working pan-India are trained for how to manage these children, how to make them confident, how to make them healthy. And for this, these training sessions are there. CBSE intends to train, to provide health and wellness to students from primary to secondary level. But presently, they are focusing on higher primary to secondary. Primary activities and training sessions are yet to come up. So both Hitesh and Kamleshji will be taking you through various activities and will be enhancing your knowledge today and tomorrow. So I hope each one of you will go back to your schools fully enriched, and you will be passing this knowledge to your colleagues and thereby providing a good atmosphere for your children. So wishing all of you all the best. Thank you.